Good morning, District CD. I am Karlee Kitchel. We also have Aaron Vammer and Joe Hauser here with us today. And we are just going to give a quick walkthrough of Granular and hit some key points as we are getting into the season to make sure your fields are enrolled and you know how to look at the directed scouting. So first thing, we want to make sure that we are in the correct operation. So to do that, you are going to use this toggle here in the top right corner. Next, we want to make sure your fields are enrolled. So to do that, you go to the bottom left-hand corner and hit Edit Fields, and this window will pop up. To enroll a field, you want to click on the box that you want to enroll, and then also flip the toggle here on the right. So we're going to enroll this field, and then you're going to scroll down to the bottom and hit Save and Apply Changes. A box at the top will tell you that one field is enrolled into directed scouting once it's completed. After that, the next thing that we're going to show you is how to look at the fields individually and compare the layers, which shows the directed scouting, which Aaron is going to jump into.
All right, so the next thing you can do within Granular Insights is if you go to the left-hand side there, you'll see your field list. And if you click that drop down below field list, you can see a few different things there. You got your field name, farm name, acreage, and scouting priority. You can also see your field variability and in-season change there. So just to reiterate the point of what scouting priority is basically a combination of your field variability and your in-season change for that field. So if you click on scouting priority, that will give you your current scouting priority there. So as you can see here, Vanley is one of our top scouting priority fields for the week. So if we click on that, we can then analyze your scouting priority for that field. So if you click on a field, you'll be able to see that scouting priority on the left-hand side there. As you can see your current crop, you've got your scouting priority, and then you can also see your field variability and your in-season change. So from there, we need to make sense of the image. So if you go to the right-hand side, if you're curious why a field came to the top of your scouting priority list, you can click Compare Layers. So once you're in Compare Layers, you can compare a lot of different things. You can compare, if you're trying to figure out why a field is at the top of scouting priority for that week, you can compare a couple weeks ago, so like maybe 15 days ago's photo compared to today's photo to try to see what happened and why that field got sent to the top of your scouting priority list. Once you're in the comparison tool, you can look at 2 dates to analyze why there was a change between the 2 days. So here on the left-hand side, we can see one picture. We can see what the field looked like on that day. And then on the right-hand side, you can select that other date with a different picture to see what has progressed. Have you seen a positive increase in health? Have you seen a negative decrease in health? What we really need to pay attention between the two pictures is that vegetation index on the bottom there. You can see your yellow. Your yellow indicator means you have low plant health or low crop health, and that dark blue on the right-hand side means you have a high crop health. And you can also see the percentage of the field that falls under those categories. So keep an eye on that as you're looking at comparisons between two different fields. As you can see here, there's a plot in this specific field, and you can see between the 2 days you saw an actual increase in plant health. You can also see the pivot out there too. So our imagery is able to pick up on a lot of different things. You can actually see the pivot tracks out there. So just some little things that we can pick out. You really want to pay attention for certain things as we progress throughout the season. So with that, I'll turn it over to Joe.
Yeah, thanks, Aaron. I just want to remind everyone the importance of enrolling. So as Aaron alluded to, you can go ahead and sort for scout priority today. The good thing is May 4th, every Monday, you're going to get an email that hits your inbox with these fields ranked for scout priority. So continue to enroll fields and reach out to any of us with any questions you have as you go through the process. Aaron put together an awesome video that is a little workaround. You can actually contact the support folks through the help website, through the chat function, and they can enroll fields for you if you have permission from that customer to do so. So any questions, again, reach out to us. We're happy to help.
That concludes this Pioneer Agronomy video podcast. Visit our page on pioneer.com and follow us on Twitter and Facebook for more agronomy insights.